the word help, to assist or provide support, and help someone, help with, help out. She decided to help him with his homework. Can you help with the preparations for the party? And he helped out at the shelter every weekend. To make something easier or more effective, help improve, help solve, help reduce. And this guide will help improve your writing skills. The new software will help solve the problem more quickly. And regular exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety to provide relief or aid. Help recover, help heal, help calm. The doctor's advice really helped her recover from the illness, and she used medication to help heal the wound faster. And a warm drink can help calm your nerves before a presentation. To offer assistance or guidance, help guide, help choose, help make decisions. The mentor will help guide you through the project. Can you help choose a gift for her birthday? It's important to help make decisions based on all available information, to contribute to a cause or task, and help raise, help fund, help organize. They are working together to help raise awareness for the campaign. The community came together to help fund the new park, and he offered to help organize the event next month.